Beaver dams as natural infrastructure, environmental benefits, and a financial analogy for sustainable resource management. Beaver dams, constructed by the North American beaver and related species, play a vital role in shaping ecosystems by regulating water flow, enhancing biodiversity, and improving environmental resilience. These natural structures function as ecological stabilizers, offering benefits such as water storage, filtration, wildfire mitigation, and carbon sequestration. Beyond their environmental significance, beaver dams also provide a compelling conceptual framework for understanding personal financial management. By drawing parallels between water flow and cash flow, this paper argues that slowing and directing financial outflows, much like a beaver dam regulates water, can foster stability, growth, and long-term sustainability. Through this interdisciplinary lens, the paper highlights how principles observed in nature can inform practical strategies for managing resources effectively. Beaver dams are remarkable examples of natural infrastructure, delivering a wide range of ecological benefits that enhance environmental stability and resilience. By slowing the movement of water, these dams create ponds and wetlands that act as reservoirs, storing water during periods of abundance and releasing it gradually during drought conditions. This not only ensures a more consistent water supply but also supports diverse ecosystems, as the resulting wetlands provide habitats for fish, birds, amphibians, and plant life. Additionally, the slowed water flow allows sediments and pollutants to settle, improving water quality downstream. Beaver-created wetlands also serve as natural fire breaks, retaining moisture that can reduce the spread and intensity of wildfires while simultaneously preventing soil erosion by minimizing the force of moving water. Furthermore, these environments contribute to climate regulation by trapping organic material and storing carbon, and they facilitate groundwater recharge by allowing water to seep into underground aquifers. Collectively, these functions have led to beavers being recognized as ecosystem engineers, as their activities fundamentally reshape and sustain their surroundings. The dynamics of beaver dams offer a useful analogy for personal financial management, particularly in the context of controlling spending and building long-term stability. Just as a dam regulates water flow, financial discipline slows the outflow of money, preventing income from being rapidly depleted. In this comparison, water flow represents cash flow, the dam symbolizes budgeting and spending controls, and the resulting pond reflects savings and financial reserves. By reducing unnecessary expenditures, individuals can accumulate savings that serve as a buffer during periods of financial uncertainty, much like stored water supports ecosystems during drought. These reserves also enable long-term growth through investment, where consistent contributions can compound over time, similar to how stable wetlands foster thriving ecosystems. Moreover, controlling spending helps mitigate financial risks such as debt and instability, paralleling how dams prevent erosion and environmental degradation. Importantly, the analogy emphasizes regulation rather than restriction. Just as a beaver dam does not stop water entirely but manages its flow, effective financial strategies do not eliminate spending, but instead direct it intentionally. Applying this concept in practice involves establishing spending limits, building emergency funds, automating financial decisions, reducing unnecessary expenses, and consistently reviewing one's financial habits. Ultimately, both beaver dams and disciplined financial systems demonstrate that managing the flow of resources rather than allowing unchecked movement creates resilience, supports growth, and promotes sustainability over time. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1 million subscribers. Please join us for the journey.